How to make daring career decisions. People head to work each day and complete the tasks required of them. They do this day in and day out, even though it isn't rewarding for most. So why do they do it? They like the security of having a steady paycheck. There is more to life than a paycheck, and many are starting to realize this. It could be that it's easier than ever to start a business. Before the internet, the only real choices were a brick-and-mortar type of business. That is still viable for some, but for others, an online business is the way to go. Still, it can be quite scary to throw your entire career away to start up something new. Just because it's easy to start a business today doesn't mean business is easy. The competition is growing daily, and the competition is from people all over the world. Giving up the security of that paycheck is not a decision to be made lightly. One push for people to start something new is they are finding that their jobs are not as secure as they once thought. Layoffs and downsizing happen at regular intervals. Even people who survive the cuts will be expected to work harder and longer hours. Often their salaries are reduced, and bonuses are something for the history books. People get to the point where they don't feel secure, and they resent having to do more work for the same or even less pay. This can give them the motivation they need to branch out on their own. The good news is many people can start these businesses on the side and continue to earn a paycheck until their new business earns money. When this happens, they take on a new mental outlook of hope, knowing that a better life is possible. They also learn they can coach others to do the same. This movement feeds off itself as more dare to realize their dreams of owning their own business. It can be related to their field, or they can branch off into something entirely different. Imagine getting paid for something you love. The possibilities are endless. Don't quit your job until you know what kind of business you are going to start and come up with a business plan. Also, seek out help from qualified people. You may have to pay someone up front for their expertise, but it may be well worth the effort later.